Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever thought about turning your subject knowledge into a source of income? Doubtnut provides an incredible platform for just that. You can earn money simply by answering questions from students who need help with subjects like math, physics, or chemistry. It's a truly flexible opportunity, allowing you to work from anywhere and make some extra cash, all while helping others learn. It's a win-win situation. To begin earning, your first step is to download the Doubtnut app onto your phone. Once you have it, navigate to the Solve Questions, or Expert section. You'll then need to register as a tutor or subject expert directly through their platform, which is usually a straightforward process. Remember to complete your profile fully, adding all your relevant details and specifying the subjects you're most comfortable helping with. This helps Doubtnut connect you with the right questions. Once you're set up, Doubtnut will start sending you questions that match your expertise and availability. Your task is to record short video solutions, clearly explaining the answer step by step for each problem. It's really important that your explanations are clear, concise, and easy for students to follow. Think of it as teaching a quick mini lesson, helping them grasp the concept completely. Clarity is key to success on the platform. To really maximize your earnings, consistency is vital. The more questions you solve regularly, the more you can earn over time. Always strive for high quality in your video solutions. Clear explanations lead to better student ratings, which can boost your visibility and opportunities. Also, concentrate on subjects where you feel most confident and can solve problems quickly and accurately. This strategy helps you optimize your time and income on the platform. So, earning money from Doubtnut is a truly rewarding way to put your academic knowledge to good use. It offers incredible flexibility and convenience, allowing you to work on your own terms and fit it seamlessly into your daily schedule. If you're ready to start helping students and earning some extra cash, simply download the Doubtnut app, complete your registration, and begin your journey as a valued, paid tutor today. It's a great opportunity waiting for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.